Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making sweet chili chicken. Oil 2 tablespoon. Boneless chicken 300 grams. Salt as per taste. Garlic powder 1 tablespoon. Pepper powder 1 tablespoon. Mix everything. Cook on medium heat for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, soya sauce 1 tablespoon. Sweet chili sauce 1 tablespoon. Hot sauce 1 tablespoon. Buffalo wing sauce 1 tablespoon. Sesame seeds 1 tablespoon. Honey 1 tablespoon, optional. Mix everything. Keep aside. Chicken almost done. Now roughly chopped onion 1 cup. Cook for 2 minutes on medium heat. Now add sauce mixture. Half cup water. Mix everything. Cook on medium heat for 2 minutes. Spring onions on top. Enjoy with rice. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. So easy and yummy tasty chicken ready to eat. See ya, bye.